Innovation for Education and Research Management at Universidad de la Costa in the Pandemic Era. This paper was written by Celene Milanes, Claudio Palacio, and James Fraser, professors of Universidad de la Costa in Barranquilla, Colombia. Universidad de la Costa, UniCosta, is an institution in the Colombian Caribbean whose main topic of institutional research is sustainable development. UniCosta has participated for just 1 year in the UI GreenMetric World University Ranking. In the year 2020, UniCosta was ranked 44th at the country level. The aim of this paper is to present the most relevant activities carried out in Universidad de la Costa in the pandemic era by COVID-19, specifically those related to the indicator of innovation for education and research management. The conclusions show that during the pandemic, the university has strengthened its national and international academic network ties with several universities, showing as a result an increase in both collaboration and scientific production. UniCosta has 20 undergraduate programs, 30 specializations, 16 masters, and 6 doctorates. Sustainable development is one of the main lines of research, as well as the central element in the educational approach of the university. Consequently, the students have several subjects related to this relevant topic. Table 1 shows the relationship between the programs that constitute this select set. This year, 2021, UniCosta was positioned in the Times Higher Education ranking as one of the best higher education institutions in Colombia, highlighting this work on alliances to achieve the objectives. According to the results, UniCosta is ranked in the top 10 in Colombia and the top 100 in Latin America. UniCosta was also the 9th best company to work for in Colombia, according to the Great Place to Work ranking. Through integration, firmness of purpose, and discipline, the UniCosta improves year after year its results in reputations and visibility. This is the result of exceptional efforts performed by the university team and the collaboration with national and international peers. Regarding the methodology, in this paper, the overall purpose is identifying how the university's cooperation has been in the pandemic era. The indicator analyzed in this article is innovation for education and research. For its analysis, the information was collected using an instrument that was sent to the different departments of the university from January to May 2021. In the first semester of 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic began. However, the university consolidated at the regional level as it was the first institution in the Colombian Caribbean to move from classroom classes to synchronized remote. At that crucial moment, UniCosta implemented the Teams platform as a unified communication and collaboration tool, allowing to alternate face-to-face classes with remote access. Since the era of the COVID-19 began, participation in webinars and virtual or remote events in the UniCosta has increased rapidly. Besides to guarantee other training modalities, UniCosta established an agreement with Coursera. Thus, not only students but also professors could complete different courses obtaining a free certificate. In consequence, obtained high incoming and outgoing mobility with an emphasis on postgraduate studies. Subsequently, it is worth highlighting the increase in scientific production that the university had, both writing books and scientific articles managed by the participation of professors in academic and research collaboration networks. Figure 2 shows the university collaboration map in the pandemic era. Concluding, Universidad de la Costa has exponentially increased international collaboration in the pandemic era through webinars, events, published research articles, academic and scientific collaboration networks. The GreenMetric University's ranking implies a significant opportunity for UniCosta to make its research results visible. On the other hand, even though international collaboration increased extraordinarily, national cooperation should develop as well. In addition, participation in UI GreenMetric provides an opportunity to share with other international universities with more experience and better positioning. Finally, the university must strengthen its organizational chart It will facilitate the presentation of results and the dissemination of knowledge related to the Sustainable Development Goals. In addition, facilitate the data collection to ensure outstanding results in the rankings related to sustainable development.